thank you. It's trivia time, baby.
We're up there. Yeah, me too.
All right. Let me get organized here. Okay, we have Ken Ballo now and Steve Lycett, who are acting as trivia team captains. So I'd like to welcome them to the stage, please. Come on up, guys. Steve Lycett, Ken Ballo. Welcome. Okay. Now, if I could call up the trivia participants, that way you guys can meet up with your trivia captains. Come on up.
He is... Where are you? I don't see him. He's in the red backpack.
Welcome, guys.
No, I don't think so.
All right.
There he is.
So, we have, you guys are here to participate in the trivia contest. Not an easy task. Let's give a round of applause, please. Okay, let me briefly explain the trivia rules, okay? They're not very complicated, but there are 15 questions, okay? These questions are divided into 3 categories: easy, medium, and hard. Easy questions are worth 1 point, medium questions are worth 2 points, and hard questions are worth 3 points. So I'll be asking the question and give you guys time to formulate your answers. I'll be giving you 45 seconds per question.
I thought it was like...
Then the team captains will raise their hands when you guys have come up with an answer.
I thought they'd have like a...
There's no penalty for having a wrong answer. And obviously, the team with the most points wins. Okay, so let's get to the questions. Are you guys ready?
I'm ready. I reckon we can take this.
Your guy said his body's ready. Okay. Question number 1. Okay. Sonic the Hedgehog released for the Sega Genesis on what day in 1991?
Oh, that's easy.
You have 45 seconds.
That's easy. It's June 23rd, if you don't know.
You guys are ready? Are both teams ready? Okay.
We're ready.
So, should we call you Team Steve? What do you want to be called?
We're Team Sumo.
Team Sumo. Team Sumo. What's your answer?
We're going to be... Go ahead. I don't care what your team's called. We're going to go for June the 23rd.
Okay.
Nice.
And Team Ken?
We'll go with Team Needle Mouse, and we are also going to rock June 23rd.
Well, guess what? You guys are both right. Oh, sorry. So I'm going to be reading the multiple choice. I wasn't doing that, but we'll do that from here on out. All right. Question number 2. Name the first Sonic racing game. A. Sonic R. B. Sonic and Sega All-Stars Racing. C. Sonic Drift. D. Sonic Heroes HD Remix. Are you guys ready?
We're ready.
Okay. So, Team Needle Mouse, what's your answer?
Team Needle Mouse goes with Sonic Drift.
Okay. And Sumo, Team Sumo, what's your answer?
I hate to copy Ken, but we're also going to go with Sonic Drift.
Oh, well. You guys are both right. Okay.
It's going to end in like a complete...
Next question.
Nobody likes a copycat.
Which longtime Sega fan popularized the phrase, as you truly imagined it, during the campaign for Sonic the Hedgehog 4 Episode 1? Time starts now. Go.
Wait, what? Oh yeah. Wait, is
Right, time's up.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yep, time's up. So, Team Sumo, you go first.
It's not that hard to remember. We're not sure, actually. This is quite a tough one. I guess Ken will know the answer to this, but I'm going to go for Sven Jocelyn on this.
Sven Jocelyn, okay. So, A. And you, Needle Mouse?
So Team Needle Mouse is gonna go with Campbell.
Well, Team Needle Mouse, you get this one. Okay.
Oh, wait a minute. Well, that's his quote. Isn't that cheating?
I didn't make the rules. Okay. So, next question number 4. Chow were first introduced in which popular game on the Sega Dreamcast? Was it A, Sonic Adventure, B, Sonic Shuffle, C, Sonic Adventure 2, or D, Shenmue 5?
3.
Start with Needle Mouse.
Team Needle Mouse is gonna go with Sonic Adventure.
Okay. And Team Sumo.
Obviously, Sonic Adventure.
All right, you guys are both right. Good job. Question number 4, and this is the last question for the easy category. In Sonic 3D Blast, what is the name of the birds you rescue, which coincidentally share the name of an older Sega game? Is it A, Rappies, B, Flickies, C, Zippies, or D, Bubsy the Bird Cat?
I've only read like Universe a couple.
So, they were called the Flickies.
And Team Needle Mouse.
Team Needle Mouse will also go with Flickies.
Okay. You guys are both right. Great. On to the medium difficulty.
Yeah.
We're getting tougher questions here. Okay. What is the name of the Japanese creator of Sonic, who drew some of his original sketches on a napkin? And last name only is okay for this. Well, I'm going to read the okay. A, Yuji Naka. B, Jun Tsunui. C, Naoto Shima. D, Segato Shenshiro. Go. So, Needle Mouse.
Needle Mouse is gonna rock number C.
C, okay. And
You're not going to pronounce his name.
I
C.
probably had trouble pronouncing his name, yes.
We're going to go with Ashima-san.
Okay. And the one who got it right, the team who got it right, is Team Sumo. Good job. Yes. 2 points for that. Okay. Moving on. How many Chaos Emeralds were in the very first Sonic the Hedgehog on Genesis?
That's easy.
Is it A, 8, B, 6, C, 7, or D, 42? You guys are ready? Okay, both teams are ready. All right, so let's start with Needle Mouse.
I wish you would.
We're gonna go with 6.
Okay, and Sumo.
And 6, of course, is the correct answer.
You guys both right. Good job.